Hey everyone, I'm Andrew, and welcome to Tech Check. In today's video, I'll be unboxing yet another battery backup. This here is the CyberPower SX625G. So looking at the top of the box here, you have of course what it is, the CyberPower battery backup with surge protection. A few bullet points letting you know what you can do with this. I'll actually be using it for my network router and switch, so it's exactly some things you can do with it. Have a picture of the item you should expect to receive inside, showing you that it has 8 surge protected outlets, as well as 4 that are surge protected and battery backed up. Looks like the power buttons in the top left there. Also letting you know that it's a 625 VA, same as up here, 375 watts. It's got the 8 surge protected outlets like I said, as well as protection for DSL and phone lines. The bottom left letting you know it's Energy Star compliant with a 3-year warranty and a $100,000 connected equipment guarantee. And at the bottom right, just letting you know it has energy saving technology. Looking at the side of the box, starting at the top, you have the CyberPower logo. Underneath that, of course, what it is being the battery backup, and the technical specifications just listed under that, starting with the model number being the SX625G, your topology, form factor, let you know about the AC outlets, that there's 8 protected outlets with 4 battery backup, 5-foot low profile plug, got some LED indicators, your audible alarms, the dimensions of the item as well as weight, input and output voltages, your waveform, battery type being sealed lead acid for 3 to 6 years of normal life and recharge time of 8 hours. Then up here, your surge protection and filtering with overload protection, surge suppression up to 890 joules, RJ11 protection, as well as EMI and RFI filtration. A little bit of information about the included warranty for this item, its certifications, and then letting you know that the power panel software is compatible with Windows, Mac OS X, and Linux. So the back of the box just had a little bit more information I wanted to pass on before getting into it. So quickly looking at it, let's let you know that this battery backup features an energy efficient design with ultra quiet operation and comes with a 3-year product warranty, has guaranteed surge protection, protection from lightning, induced surges, and spikes. Also, one great thing is the lifetime connected equipment guarantee, where CyberPower will replace any properly connected equipment up to $100,000 in value if it's ever damaged by an electrical surge, including surges produced by lightning strikes. Another thing this protects against, well, multiple other things it seems to protect against, are surges, over voltages, sags, under voltages, line noise, and power failures. Speaking of power failures, if you're hooked up to the Power Panel Personal Edition software and you happen to have a power outage, this software can safely shut down connected computers and stuff like that if set up to do so. Then just below that, letting you know that it has energy saving technology, and this model has achieved Energy Star qualification and meets the program's energy efficiency requirements. So now that we've taken a look over the box, checked out some of the information that's included, the only way to open it up is from these 2 tabs right here. So I'm just going to take a shot and open this one on my right, flip down this side of the box and see if we can't get it out. Seems like everything's opening fairly easy. That's just some hard white styrofoam in there. I'm going to see if I can get this all out at once. Nope, it's not going to come out at once. So there's one piece of styrofoam. And if I could show you the inside, that seems to be the unit right here, not the plug side, so it's probably the bottom. Just pull that right out. Oh, and it seems to be upside down. Nothing else is left in the box. Hopefully you can see that. Throw that to the side. Get this packaging off and see if I can't show you everything that came with. So after getting rid of all the packaging, what we're left with is the little Ziploc baggie that's included with a USB cable that attaches obviously to this unit, so you can use the power panel management software, and the unit itself. So how about we remove the unit from this bag and take a look at that first. As you can see, there's a large sticker right here letting you know that you have to plug it in for 8 hours to charge it first. But we zoom in on this for you. Okay, got that in frame better so you can see everything. Right in the middle at the top here, large yellow and black sticker letting you know, warning, plug this in for 8 hours to charge first, because the batteries don't come pre-charged or anything, and you want them to be charged for the battery backup to work. That's the whole point. But other than that, also letting you know to turn on or off, press and hold the power button for 2 seconds, and then remove sticker before use. Then there's some styrofoam left over. You have your 4 8 outlets. These 4 right here, as you can see, this little white line letting you know that these 4 right here are the battery protected and surge protected outlets. These 4 right here just being surge protected. Down here letting you know this is the 625 VA model. Very top, of course, you have your CyberPower logo right in it. Doesn't come off that I can feel. Seems to be stuck there pretty good. Got your power button in the left here. Looking at the top, you have obviously what seem to be your telephone lines. I don't think these are network cable lines. I'll have to get a wire and check that out in a minute. You have your reset switch, as well as your wiring fault light, I believe, or that might be a switch in there, I'm not sure. And your USB port, attachment port. Then, of course, the power cable itself, which is, if I believe, yes, it's angled, so it would go in straight like that. Well, here. It would go into a wall straight like this, but it comes down on an angle. If you can see from there, it goes straight in, but comes out from an angle, so that you can still plug something in underneath it. It's not taking up more than one plug. That's pretty good. Maybe I can show you on here. I'm not going to plug it into itself, but if I was, see how it would go straight in like that and wouldn't take up any spots underneath it or beside it or anything. So that's pretty neat. I like that. But that's about it for the unit itself. Oh, let me see the black. Okay, there we go. So that's probably your replacement battery panel right there. That would slide off. I don't know if it's screwed in or not. How about we don't remove that right now? But other than that, lots of information actually on the back. You got caution, you got CyberPower, you got notices. So yeah, they don't want you to blow up, so we ain't gonna take this off. I don't know. Also your model number, barcode, stuff like that. Oh, and some mounting points if you wanted to mount this to a wall or a desk or something. It is fairly heavy, so be sure to mount it to something that can support it. But let's check out this little accessory bag. So looking at this accessory bag, seems to have just a USB and maybe a manual in it. So let's pull it out, take a closer look. Here, of course, is your USB cable. It's fairly thin, but it's just got to give a basic data signal to and from the device to your computer or laptop, whatever you are using, with the power panel software. It's fairly long. I would say that's 6 feet, 6-foot cord. All right, so at least they're giving you some room. This doesn't have to sit right next to your computer to attach it. Get rid of these, and let's check out the manual. So if we get this manual out of here, right there we have reliability, quality, value for all these models, which I have the SX625G, user's manual, product registration, important safety warnings. So, when using something like this, if you're not used to it, you of course want to look through this. Once again, your important information to turn on or off, just like it says on here. Press and hold the power button for 2 seconds. Plug in for 8 hours to charge. UPS may not turn on or provide battery power until the battery is charged. Do not return product to store. If you're having problems, please contact CyberPower. And of course, like I said, product registration, installing your UPS, how to determine the power requirements, all the basic stuff you need to know when setting up a UPS. Then you have your basic operation, which ones are obviously surge protected and battery protected. Well, they're all surge protected, but only 4 battery protected, these 4 here. I do like also how these are spaced out they're called adapter plugs, so you can plug in large adapters and they won't interfere with each other. That's neat. Then of course some troubleshooting and your definitions for LED indicators and audible alarms. Good information to have in case it ever goes crazy on you don't know why. But I guess that's about it for my unboxing of the CyberPower SX625G battery backup and surge protector. Well, thanks for watching my unboxing of the CyberPower SX625G battery backup and surge protector. If you're interested in learning more about this product, or possibly picking one up for yourself, I'll have some links posted in the description below where you can do just that. And if you like this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up, leave a comment, and possibly subscribe. I'm Andrew, and this was Tech Check.